Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. Wish you all are doing very well and enjoying your study. Welcome you back to English Literature class. Today we'll proceed further with chapter 9 in The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. As we have studied so far in chapter 9, when the Duke and the King tactfully start using Jim, the slave, and run now without any fear. And whenever anybody asks anything to them, they saw Jim, who is tied by them, and say that they have caught that running away slave and they are taking him to the actual owner to claim the reward. And they reach a place where they stop, and there again they start making a plan. Okay. So Jim is very much worried, and also he finds very comfortable to remain tied for a long time. So he requests the Duke and the King to think out such a way so that he shouldn't be left or tied for a long time. And the Duke comes out with a way. He paints his face, Jim's face, in just which looked very fearful, and also he makes him wear a loose gown, and he asks him to stand in front of that roofed structure in the canoe. Okay, and he also stands there a placard. They are written, see here, "Seek Arab but harmless." Okay, and the Duke asks Jim to start howling or behave like mad if anyone tries to come near him, and the person will just run away, and same thing he does. Now suddenly the king seems to be very successful in his plan. It seems that a huge property is going to fall, okay, for him, because he has seen someone waiting on the river bank, and he was a boy, and of course he was waiting for someone. Of course he was waiting for the brother of Peter. Okay. Who was the brother of Peter? Harvey and young William. And Peter has recently died. Okay. And the boy is waiting for Harvey and William only. So the king takes out all the information from him, where from the two brothers are coming, okay, what were their names, everything. Well, because what are their plans. This king has planned completely that he will in disguise, he and the Duke will disguise as Peter's brother William and Harvey. It's young William and Harvey. Now here also we got to know that Peter has another brother, George also, who is died long ago. George's wife is also died long ago. And George and his wife have left two daughters who lived with their uncle Peter. Okay, but now they have been left alone. Okay, they have been left lonely. Now let's read further. Did anybody send them word? Okay. Oh yes. When Peter was first taken ill a month or two back, Peter said he felt he wasn't going to get well this time. You see, he was pretty old and George's girls were too young to be much company for him. Okay. So, king wants again to get another information from the boy. If anybody has informed about the death of Peter to his brothers, Harvey and young William, the boy answers positively and says that when before the death, Peter was very ill and his two nieces were not old enough to look after him. So that time he was kind of lonesome. Okay, he felt very lonely after the death of George and his wife. He desperately wanted to see Harvey and William, and he wanted to see Harvey and William very much. He left a sealed letter for Harvey saying where the money was hidden. Okay, and Peter has left a sealed letter in which where the money has been hidden, that is written. Look, this information also the king has obtained. Okay, and how he wanted the rest of the property to be divided among George's girls. And in that envelope, Peter's will is also kept. Okay, so how the property left by him should be distributed. Okay, so by now a clear plan had begun to form in king's mind, king's head. Now the king had started thinking his way out, his plan to materialize. And so he began to pump the youth for all the information he could. So he started taking out everything, all the information what that the boy had. Okay, now here pump means press, pump, press, pump, press. So he started pumping that boy, pressing that boy, and obtaining all the information whatever he had about Peter and his family, so that king could obtain all the property left by Peter. So where in England does Harvey live? Okay, Sheffield, preaches there. So Harvey lives in England and he is a preacher there. He gives there the religious lecture. And how old are the three girls? The boy says one girl, the eldest one is Mary Jane, she is 19, and Susan, who is 15 years old, and the youngest one, there are Joanna, who is about 30. Means there are three daughters of George, okay, and his wife. The eldest one is Mary Jane, who is 19 years, then Susan, who is 15 years, and then the youngest one is Joanna. I feel so sorry for them to be left alone. The king says that he feels very sorry for those three girls and also Peter. Well, they could be worse off. Old Peter had friends and they will see that they come to no harm. There's Hobson. the preacher, and Deacon Lot Howe, and Ben Rucker, and Abner Shackelford, and Levi Bell, the lawyer, and Dr. Robinson, and their wives, and the widow Bartley, and well, a lot more things. But the young boy informs about other things also. I mean, there are many well-wishers of Peter. Okay? And all those people will look after so that no harm should be done. Okay, with the three girls. And no cheats could come to obtain those property left by Peter. Okay. Who are they? These people are Hobson. They are religious lecture, yes. And Lord Howe. Then there is a Ben Rucker and Abner Shackford. There is a lawyer also, Levi Bell. Okay. There is Dr. Robinson at all also. And they are their wives also. All these people's wife. And there is widow Bartley. And apart from there are other people also who will take care of not getting harm to those three girls. Okay. So in this way, then he starts, means the king starts making the plan how to rob the property of those three girls left by their uncle. Okay, being disguised as their uncle Harvey and William. Okay, so in this way, that's all for today that we have discussed. This portion from chapter 9 from the Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Ciao.